Wait till I feel bald. Ready to go? Just trying to figure out what to bring. Oh, you gotta try Summersby. Here, take a sip of mine.
Hi guys, so I just got back from my class meeting for our group project. We are filming commercials actually for my digital media class. So one 30-second and one 2-minute one. And we're doing a campaign for Summersby, which is a hard apple cider brand here in Denmark. So that's fun. So that's what I got some clips of this morning. But now I'm eating lunch. I have peanut butter sandwich, chips, and strawberries, and it reminds me of lunches when I had when I was like 10 in the summer. So it'll be fun. And then I think we're going to the beach today because it's going to be nice out. And I don't know what we're doing tonight, but yeah, we will see. Max and Leah. Oh! How is it?
Not that bad.
How is it? For dinner tonight, we've got some more pad thai, but from a different place, and then they all got pad thai as well. But Danijela got spring rolls.
And to the other half still. Oh, hey guys.
See?
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
Oh my.
Imagine she's like chasing me around.
Hi guys, so today is Tuesday. It's like 2 o'clock and we're at the harbor. There it is behind us. We're just laying out on the grass. It's sort of weird because everybody's just in bathing suits around the city, but it's fun. It's just us today. It's like 74 today, so it's gonna be super nice.
It's freezing. Is it actually? Yeah. I mean,
Yay! We're at the harbor and we just cliff jumped or like wall jumped onto the harbor. It was really cold. It was like a big shock, but it was really fun. And then Alexis did the high one. We just left the harbor and we got ice cream from this place sort of in our neighborhood. I got Nutella with cookies on it. It's good. And then Danijela got...
I got mint chip and stracciatella.
Yum. And then Alexis got...
Coconut and Nutella.
Yum. It's so good. It's like the best ice cream we've had here.
Creamy.
Hi guys, evening update. I just took a shower and ate some dinner. I got a frozen pizza that I'm gonna eat on some of this week. But tonight I think we're gonna go out to a bar called the Old Irish Pub, which is really fun. We went there this past weekend. But yeah, the harbor was fun. We jumped in, like I said earlier, it was super cold, but then we laid out and we actually found this cutest little baby that came up to us, and it was actually her first birthday today, so that was really fun. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I'll see y'all tomorrow.